Drake. Have you ever wanted to work with dragons? To know what it'd be like to work with them as magicians, learn their magic, have access to their wisdom, to their knowledge, to soar with them amongst the stars, the sky, even the depths of the earth and the sea? Well, now you can. In Working Dragon Mystics, Dragon Magic 101 online video course. For the first time ever, I actually take my Dragon Magic class, which I have been teaching for 10 years now, and we have put it completely into a video course. This is the first in a series of courses on Dragon Magic, in which I will actually teach and reveal everything the dragons have taught me over these many years of me working with them. And in the Dragon Magic 101 course, what you'll be learning is the fundamentals and the core of Dragon Magic to get you started. You're going to learn the importance of balance. You're going to learn the basic rituals and meditations to get you going. We're going to give you a flawless way to meet your guardian dragon, as well as a path working to bond with your guardian dragon and to build that relationship and make sure it's solid and strong. From there, we're going to give you a flawless method of coming into contact with your co-magician dragon. And again, a path working to build that friendship and that bond to make sure it's solid and strong and to jumpstart your progress in Dragon Magic. Then from there, we're going to move into working with each of the 4 elemental rulers, one by one, focusing an entire path working on working with each one to build that relationship, that bond, and that friendship that you will need as you progress through this path as a Dragon Magic practitioner. Through this course, there will be some trials that the dragons will insist that you meet. As you complete these trials, you will move on. Till finally, at the end of this course, with the bonus information and rituals that we're going to be giving you, we will present you with the ritual methods and the secrets of the dragons in order to craft your very own Dragon Magic Staff or tool of your choosing. So if you've ever wanted to work with dragons and learn Dragon Magic, I hope you'll join us April 15th when the Dragon Magic 101 online training course goes live. To all my fellow magicians and dragon lovers out there, I'll see you there.